All praise to Yahweh, Bahashim Hamashiach, Yahweh Shai. And this is another Godspeed talking about the Cern and why the Cern is a weapon to attack the UFO. So I'm going to explain it right here because I had another lesson coming. And I'm going to, y'all wait for this video right here. All right, go in.
This one does to make us look crazy, make us look stupid, to make us look like we have a mental disorder. Oh no, that's all folklore. That's all folklore. No, don't worry about that. Them niggas crazy. Whoever's gonna come out talking about this here is crazy and out their damn mind. They no damn aliens. And now they're admitting it. There's nothing new under the sun. Our people were very familiar with these damn things all the way back then. So much that they drew them. They drew them. And we put them on the caves and the hieroglyphs.
That's right.
There's nothing new under the sun. Now, with that being said, we have to go a little further. Now it's about to get a little technical here. Take a look at this. Y'all see what this is? Some of you know exactly what this is because you've done your research on it before. I've talked to many of you about this already. This is what you call Cern. Bring it back. Did you notice what their symbol was? 3 6s. 6, 6, 6. Why is this important? Why are we bringing up Cern? First of all, we can start with the damn 666. The mark, the number of his name, the number of the damn beast. So let's go ahead and read a little bit about this. About Cern. This, I am coming directly from their website. About Cern. At Cern, we probe the fundamental structure of the particles that make up everything around us. We do so by using the world's largest and most complex scientific instruments. So now, if you're not familiar with that, it's talking about weapons. If you didn't put this together, you're going to see exactly what those weapons are for. Watch this. Physicists and engineers at Cern use the world's largest and most complex scientific instruments to study the basic constituents of matter, fundamental particles. Stop. So now you have two different people, physicists and engineers. What do engineers do? They build. They build. Physicists and engineers at Cern use the world's largest and most complex scientific instruments to study the basic constituents of matter fundamental particles. Subatomic particles are made to collide together at close to the speed of light. The process gives us clues about how particles interact and provide insights into the fundamental laws of nature. We want to advance the boundaries of human knowledge by delving into the smallest building blocks of our universe. Stop. So if you're not familiar with this machine, it is a machine called CERN, the LHC, the Large Hadron Collider. What it does, it spins, it takes particles, right? What it does, it takes energy and they shoot it off faster than the speed of light. And they go and it whirls and it whirls and it whirls, and then they make them collide. And when they collide, it gives insight into particle structure. What they do is break it down. They can look at the particles. What breaks down matter? We're going to get into that. What breaks down matter? So this collision expands. It expands the universe that makes you able to look into the deepest, darkest places on this planet. It's a machine. It is a weapon. Let's continue. The instruments used at CERN and purpose-built particle accelerators and detectors. Accelerators boost beams of particles to high energies before the beams are made to collide with each other or with stationary targets. Stop! Did y'all pick up on that? It's an either or. they can take the particles, they can take the light and go ahead and collide them together, or they can point them at stationary targets. It's a weapon. That's what this whole thing with CERN is. They are creating weapons to break things down to its smallest particle. And I'm about to show you why. I've showed you this video in the past, but many of you haven't. To understand why they have this thing built. Here we go. Here we go.
They cannot hit it. They cannot hit the UFO, the chariots of Israel. They cannot hit it. The Earth weapons cannot hit this thing.
You get it?
The Earth weapons cannot hit it. So that's why they trying to get the CERN to break down particles. They cannot hit it. He's toying with it, with the Earth artillery. The Earth weapons are nothing. Alright, we're gonna go over to Yahweh Bahashim Hamashiach Yahweh Shai. Revelations 1 and 6, Daniel 9 and 10.
Get it?